Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen preparing meals? Or perhaps you're looking for ways to streamline your cooking process without sacrificing quality? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're reviewing 5 of the best kitchen gadgets that promise to make your culinary life easier, faster, and more efficient. From multifunctional appliances to gadgets that cut down on prep time, we've got you covered. Let's dive into our top picks, each designed to elevate your kitchen game and simplify meal prep. Kicking off our list at number 1, Instant Pot Duo. The Instant Pot Duo is a versatile and highly rated kitchen appliance that combines 7 functions into one device. Known for its ability to pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, and more, it's a must-have for anyone who enjoys cooking but doesn't have the time to spend hours in the kitchen. The Instant Pot Duo is beloved by busy home cooks, as it reduces cooking time significantly while still producing delicious meals. Whether you're making soups, stews, rice, or even desserts, this gadget can handle it all. Key features: the Instant Pot Duo offers a 7-in-1 functionality, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, yogurt making, sautéing, steaming, and warming. It features a 6-quart capacity, which is ideal for families or meal prepping. The one-touch controls allow for easy programming and automatic cooking, taking the guesswork out of complex recipes. Its stainless steel inner pot is durable, and the lid has safety features to prevent accidents. The Instant Pot Duo is also compatible with a range of accessories to enhance your cooking experience, like steaming racks and extra sealing rings. Benefits and usage: the Instant Pot Duo significantly speeds up the cooking process, reducing the time you spend in the kitchen by up to 70%. It's perfect for making hearty meals like chili, pot roast, or chicken soup, but you can also use it for rice, eggs, and even yogurt. The multifunctionality of this appliance means you can eliminate several devices from your kitchen, saving space and money. For busy families or anyone who enjoys home-cooked meals but doesn't have time to cook from scratch, the Instant Pot Duo offers a fast, efficient, and convenient solution. Usability: using the Instant Pot Duo is straightforward thanks to its simple control panel and one-touch buttons. You can easily choose the cooking function, set the cooking time, and let the appliance do the work. The included recipe book provides great ideas to get started, and the unit itself is easy to clean, with a dishwasher-safe inner pot. Additionally, the Instant Pot Duo's user-friendly design ensures that even beginners can quickly grasp its features, making it an excellent choice for anyone new to pressure cooking. Durability: the Instant Pot Duo is built to last with its stainless steel body and high-quality components. The pressure cooking lid is designed with multiple safety mechanisms, ensuring secure operation. The inner pot is non-stick and dishwasher safe, reducing the effort required for cleaning. Over time, you'll notice minimal wear and tear with regular use. Plus, Instant Pot offers a warranty to ensure your product's longevity, providing peace of mind if any issues arise. Overall, the Instant Pot Duo is a reliable kitchen companion that should serve you well for years. In the second spot, we have Ninja Blender. The Ninja Blender is a powerful kitchen appliance known for its ability to handle everything from smoothies to soups to nut butters. With its robust motor and sleek design, it's an essential tool for anyone who enjoys making fresh, blended drinks or preparing quick meals. The Ninja Blender is designed to blend, crush, and puree ingredients with ease, making it ideal for both beginner and expert cooks. Whether you're making protein shakes, salsas, or frozen drinks, this blender is built to tackle a variety of tasks. Key features: the Ninja Blender boasts a 1,100-watt motor, which provides excellent blending power for tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice. It features total crushing blades that ensure smooth blending by pulverizing ice and frozen fruits with ease. The 72-ounce pitcher offers a large capacity, making it perfect for families or parties. It also comes with multiple speeds and a pulse function to achieve the desired texture for any recipe. The blender's parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Additionally, the Ninja Blender includes a single-serve cup, allowing you to blend your drinks on the go. Benefits and usage: the Ninja Blender's powerful motor and sharp blades ensure that you get smooth, consistent results every time, whether you're making smoothies, soups, or sauces. Its large capacity pitcher allows you to blend ingredients in bulk, which is perfect for meal prepping or serving multiple people. The versatility of this blender also means that it can handle a variety of tasks, from crushing ice for frozen drinks to chopping vegetables for dips. Whether you're making a smoothie, a frozen cocktail, or a creamy soup, the Ninja Blender is a reliable and efficient option. Usability. Using the Ninja Blender is incredibly easy. Simply load the ingredients into the pitcher or single-serve cup, select your preferred speed, and let the blender do the work. The buttons are intuitive and easy to navigate, ensuring that even beginners can use it with confidence. Its sleek design also means that it doesn't take up much space on your countertop. The included recipe book helps inspire creativity in the kitchen, while the included travel cups make it convenient to take your blended creations on the go. Durability. The Ninja Blender is built to last, with a powerful motor that can handle tough ingredients day after day. The blades are made from durable stainless steel, ensuring long-term performance without dulling. The pitcher and cups are made from BPA-free plastic that is designed to withstand regular use without cracking or staining. Overall, the Ninja Blender is a durable, high-quality appliance that can handle the wear and tear of everyday blending tasks. With proper care, this blender can easily last for years. Coming in at number 3 is the Breville Smart Oven. The Breville Smart Oven is a high-end countertop oven that promises to make baking, roasting, and toasting easier than ever. This versatile kitchen gadget offers 13 cooking functions, allowing you to cook a wide variety of meals with precision and efficiency. Whether you're baking cookies, roasting vegetables, or toasting bread, the Breville Smart Oven can handle it all. With its sleek design and advanced features, it's a great option for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. Key features. The Breville Smart Oven features 13 preset cooking functions, including options for baking, broiling, toasting, roasting, and more. The oven uses Element IQ technology, which adjusts the power of the heating elements for even cooking. It has a spacious interior with enough room to fit a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or a whole chicken. The oven also comes with a convection fan that circulates hot air for faster cooking times. The LCD display makes it easy to select settings and monitor cooking progress. The oven's stainless steel exterior adds durability and a modern touch to your kitchen. Benefits and usage. The Breville Smart Oven provides incredible versatility in a compact, countertop design. With its 13 cooking functions, you can tackle almost any dish without having to use your full-sized oven. The Element IQ technology ensures consistent and even cooking results, and the convection fan reduces cooking time significantly. Whether you're making a quick snack, preparing a dinner for your family, or baking cookies, the Breville Smart Oven delivers reliable results every time. It's perfect for anyone who needs an extra oven for busy meal prepping or small kitchens. Usability. Using the Breville Smart Oven is a breeze. Its LCD display is easy to read, and the touch controls are intuitive. You can easily choose from the preset cooking functions or manually adjust the temperature and time based on your needs. The oven's large glass door allows you to monitor your food without opening the door, preventing heat loss. The oven also features an easy-to-clean crumb tray that catches any drips or crumbs during cooking, making cleanup a simple task. Overall, this appliance is user-friendly and highly convenient for busy cooks. Durability. The Breville Smart Oven is built to last, with its stainless steel construction designed to withstand heavy use. The heating elements and convection fan are durable and reliable, ensuring that you get consistent results over time. The oven's interior is also designed to resist stains and odors, making it easy to maintain. As long as you take care of it and clean it regularly, the Breville Smart Oven should last for many years, providing reliable service in your kitchen. Taking our 4th spot is Hamilton Beach Food Processor. The Hamilton Beach Food Processor is a versatile and affordable kitchen gadget that can help you prepare everything from salads to dough in a fraction of the time. It comes with a 10-cup capacity bowl, making it ideal for larger meal preparations. Whether you're chopping vegetables, grating cheese, or making sauces, this food processor can handle a wide range of tasks with ease. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen, especially for people who want to speed up their cooking process. Key features. The Hamilton Beach Food Processor features a powerful 450-watt motor that can easily handle tough ingredients. It has 2 speeds plus a pulse function, giving you complete control over your food processing. The processor includes a reversible slicing/shredding disc and a chopping blade, allowing you to prepare a variety of foods. The tin-cup bowl is large enough for family-sized meals, and the parts are dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. The food processor also features a wide-mouth feed chute, making it easier to process large ingredients without the need for pre-cutting. Benefits and usage. The Hamilton Beach food processor can significantly reduce the time and effort required for meal prep. Its versatile functionality means you can chop, slice, shred, and puree a variety of ingredients, making it an essential tool for anyone who cooks regularly. The tin-cup capacity ensures that you can process enough ingredients for a meal or batch cooking, while the powerful motor ensures that tough ingredients like root vegetables are no match for this food processor. Whether you're making dips, salads, or soups, this food processor streamlines the process and makes cooking easier. Usability. Using the Hamilton Beach food processor is simple thanks to its easy-to-use controls. The 2-speed options and pulse function give you flexibility, and the large feed chute means less prep work. The lid and bowl are designed to be easy to attach, and the wide-mouth feed chute reduces the need for pre-chopping ingredients. Cleaning is also a breeze, with all removable parts being dishwasher-safe. The design is compact enough to fit on most countertops, and the machine is not overly noisy, making it a great choice for those who value convenience and quiet operation. Durability. The Hamilton Beach food processor is designed to be durable, with a sturdy motor and high-quality parts that can withstand frequent use. The plastic components are tough and resistant to wear, while the blades and discs are made from stainless steel to ensure long-lasting sharpness. The processor's large bowl and lid are made from durable plastic that resists cracking and breaking. Overall, this food processor is built to last, and with proper care, it should serve you well for years to come. And finally, at number 5, we have Cuisinart Coffee Grinder. For coffee lovers, the Cuisinart Coffee Grinder is an essential gadget to have in the kitchen. This grinder is designed to give you freshly ground coffee every time, ensuring you get the best taste and aroma from your beans. With its durable construction and versatile grinding options, it's perfect for anyone who wants to take their coffee experience to the next level. The Cuisinart Coffee Grinder offers both consistency and convenience, making it a must-have for serious coffee drinkers. Key features. The Cuisinart Coffee Grinder features a powerful motor that delivers a consistent grind every time. It has a large capacity that can hold up to 90 grams of coffee beans, allowing you to grind enough coffee for multiple servings. The grinder offers a choice between a blade and a burr grinding mechanism, depending on your preference for consistency. The grind settings are adjustable, from fine to coarse, making it perfect for various brewing methods like drip coffee, French press, or espresso. Additionally, the grinder comes with a removable lid and a cleaning brush for easy maintenance. Benefits and usage. The Cuisinart Coffee Grinder is perfect for anyone who enjoys freshly brewed coffee. Grinding your own coffee beans ensures the freshest, most flavorful cup of coffee possible. With its adjustable settings, you can customize the grind based on your brewing method, ensuring optimal results. The grinder is designed to handle large quantities of beans, making it great for families or people who entertain often. Whether you prefer espresso, French press, or drip coffee, this grinder provides the perfect consistency for every brew. Usability. Using the Cuisinart Coffee Grinder is straightforward, with simple one-touch operation. The removable lid makes it easy to load the beans, and the large capacity ensures that you can grind enough for several cups. The adjustable grind settings allow you to fine-tune your coffee's consistency, and the included cleaning brush helps maintain the grinder. The compact design means it won't take up much space in your kitchen, making it perfect for small counters or kitchens with limited space. Durability. The Cuisinart Coffee Grinder is built to last with its robust construction and high-quality components. The motor is powerful enough to grind tough beans quickly, and the blade/burr system is designed for long-term use. The parts are made from durable materials that resist wear and tear over time. The grinder's components are easy to clean, ensuring that it remains in top condition for years of use. With proper care, the Cuisinart Coffee Grinder will continue to provide excellent performance, delivering freshly ground coffee with every use. And there you have it, 5 of the best kitchen gadgets to elevate your cooking experience. Whether you're looking for speed, convenience, or versatility, These products are sure to make your time in the kitchen more efficient and enjoyable. From the Instant Pot Duo to the Cuisinart coffee grinder, each of these gadgets has something unique to offer. Let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.